If you'll check back with us in about an hour, your room should be ready. And you can pay for your room when you come to pick up your key.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy your stay with us at the Grand Plaza.
Thanks.
Welcome to the Grand Plaza. Sorry to keep you waiting. How long do you plan to stay?
When would the room be ready?
Sorry for the interruption. Would you prefer a queen size or twin beds? How would you like to pay for your room? May I help you?
Yes, I'm Pat Bogan in room 823. Could you check and see if there are any messages for me?
Certainly, just a moment. Here you go, ma'am. Will there be anything else?
Could you tell me where there is a phone?
Yes, there are house phones over against the wall, and there's a public phone by the coffee shop.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Could you check and see if there are any messages for me?
Here you go. Will there be anything else? Welcome to the Grand Plaza. How may I help you this morning?
We'd like a room.
How long will you be staying in Evansville?
We're here for some meetings till next Friday, but we might like to spend the weekend.
Let me check for you. We're quite busy tonight. For tonight, I'm afraid we only have a few rooms available, and they have twin beds.
Oh, I'd really prefer a double bed.
Well, for the rest of the week, I have room with queen-size beds available.
Well, I guess that is okay, but if that is the best you can do.
We could always check with somewhere else if you'd like.
No, that's okay. It's only for the one night. But I do have to.
Well, I can check and see if we have any cancellations, and if we do, I can put you in that room.
Oh, that would be great. Thank you.
Here's your registration card. Your room should be available around noontime. How would you like to pay for your room?
We'll charge you.
Okay, sir, can I have your credit card and a form of identification?
Here you go.
Would you like to check into a room with twin beds now, or wait and see if we have any cancellation?
Oh, we can wait. We're just on our way to a meeting, but is there some place we can leave our bags?
Certainly, sir. You can leave your bags here with me. Here are your cards. And we'll see you again later this evening. And I'll try to have a room with a queen-size bed for you.
Thank you very much. You're being so helpful.
My pleasure. I hope you enjoy your stay with us at the Grand Plaza. May I have your credit card and a form of identification?
Is there somewhere we can keep our bags?
Certainly. You can leave them here with me.
Unit 3, ordering room service.
Hello, room service.
Hi, I'd like to get something to drink.
A beverage or a cocktail, sir?
Oh, I'm not quite sure. What do you have?
We have a wide selection of both hot and cold drinks, as well as cocktails, wines, and beers. Have you had a chance to look at the room service menu? There should be one on your nightstand.
Oh, let me see. Oh, yes, I see the menu. Give me a minute and I'll call you back.
Calling room service.